Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. We make it easy to create full screen overlays that draw your visitors' attention to an important offer or message and increase your conversions. In this video, I'll show you how to create a full screen campaign. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. On the OptinMonster campaign dashboard, click Create New Campaign, and then select the full screen campaign type. Next, browse the templates and select the template you'd like to use. You can click Preview to see an example, or click Use Template to select it. Type a name and select the website where you want the campaign to appear, and then click Start Building. In the Builder, customize your design as much or as little as you'd like. Some design options that are specific to full screen campaigns are displaying the campaign as a page slide-in and allowing the visitor to close the campaign by clicking the background. For complete details on customizing your design, be sure to check out our documentation on creating your first campaign. I've left a link in the description. Next, head over to Display Rules. This is where you configure when, where, and for whom your campaign will appear on your site. Since I'm creating an offer for my store, I'll use page targeting and set my campaign to appear when a visitor enters my online store. There are countless display rule configurations you can create, and you can create simple or complex rule sets based on your specific needs. For complete details, check out our documentation. I've left a link in the description. When you're finished editing the campaign's design and set your display rules, head over to Publish. Under Publish Status, select Publish, and then click Save in the top right corner. And that's it. Your campaign is now live on the site, and in my case, appearing when a visitor enters my online store. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation, or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket, and we'd be happy to help.